This is another one.
If you go to language, there should be something there.
Yeah. As well, here you can drag pictures and put them in, and students can click on the color and just see what picture is behind it. The ones we've done, after that we did this, I think, that one, and then this. This is another site actually Zena was looking for. This site can take you to a lot of activities. You want to show that one later on? Just let me show them. Yeah. The next activity is this. This is another activity for the students to get from the tool. It's a vortex, whatever it's called. So we put an edit, and what we did, the first one we made it masculine, the second circle we made it feminine. So we chose words, and we put them masculine.
So
we
I
chose
just want
words.
to explain something here.
You see, we use just word. They use it in the Alliance Française, all the description of like what they wear in jupe, whatever. I didn't create any word from outside, you know, because my main focus, they have to learn some vocabulary, you know, because this is all my year 11 beginners, they didn't see any French, even not 7, not 8, nothing.
So this is the first,
this is the first time sitting and listen to the French word, French lesson. So this is what I'm focused on.
So this is what they come up with, like in the restaurant, the glass, the money, the pantalon, cheveux, etc. So this is what we did feminine. Now you notice we did not put la or le or un or u. So we did not put this so they can be, you know, have to guess if it's right or wrong. Now when you go okay, now what happens with this, if I said it's masculine, it rejects it, it comes back. So I put it feminine. It dissolves and it takes it. So something like that for primary, even our students, they're going to have fun just coming up, touching the board and doing this sort of thing. It's amazing how much that interactive board changes the mood of students. I've seen it in maths, which is the most hated subject. I'm sure you all hate it. So, you don't? The first time I see Asian teaching language plus Sharon, beside Sharon. So, yeah, to make the lesson really interesting, having the whiteboard and trying, you know, tell your principal to make sure he gets you one in your room. I'm so lucky I have this. So it makes the class really interact with you, have fun, and learn, really learn. And I was able to get so many messages across in maths, difficult theories. I'm talking about high level, 3 unit, 4 unit. Through this board to actually finish the program quite faster with the 3 unit, 4 unit through this, because a theory can be easily visualized. And I don't use this, I use my own software, which is GeoGebra and all that kind of thing that I had to learn and prepare lessons through, and make it interesting for them.
Can I interrupt from that?
Yes.
One of the things we've been exploring at Bryant now is not just using the interactive whiteboard at the centre of the room as your excellent demonstration, but using the laptops at the year 9s and 10s have. And your students obviously don't have them.
We will. They will.
We will this year.
They will. We already have a new drawing today. Weren't you listening today?
No,
I
wasn't.
You can actually upload the same activities onto the laptops. So you don't have to have one kid at a time. Each student can be working on their own activity with the teacher doing teacher-centered learning or something like that. And then the students can either be doing it because, as you know, it's really only one person interactive at a time. But if your class of 20 is working on their laptops or in the computer room or wherever, they can all be doing the same activity at different levels at an individual, you know, it's not lockstep.
Yeah.
So the teacher can then go and work with this student, or this student, or this student, or these two, or everyone at the same time.
Yeah.
And that's the great thing about the software, it can now be loaded onto the laptops or the computers. So it's thinking a little bit more laterally as well. It's a great tool to do it like this, but it's also a great tool to have it on the kids' laptops.
So with our school, we have StudyWiz, which lots of schools have different types of programs, and we've got StudyWiz set up. So we can put everything, for example, in my Year 9 folder, I'll put all the stuff that's for Year 9, and they'll be able to download everything straight through the internet. So they open up their laptops and they've got everything on StudyWiz, they access StudyWiz, put their password in, they've got all the work that I've put on there.
This
So
is
it
what
might
we
be
do in
interactive
Moodle.
activity.
We're doing that through Moodle. This is what we're supposed to be doing today, but we're taking the time to do with you guys.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if anyone, you know, when you change your keyboard to start Arabic.
Yeah.
It's locked and it needs a password, special password. Now the computer, the IT person in our school doesn't have that password. So do you have an idea? Way to make it unlock so I can change the student's laptop, the small ones.
You're talking about
I went
when
to
you've got
change.
it down here,
No,
where you've got it down here and you change the language.
yeah.
And it's locked in Arabic.
Locked on
Not
the
locked on the
keyboard.
students' laptops, the small ones.
Locked shut or locked open?
No, you know how to go from start and then control panel, then change.
Change the language.
Yeah, so when it comes to change, select other languages. It's
You
it's
should
a
always
password.
select English first in Arabic, because it makes it really
But
hard
it
to
doesn't
convert it back.
take you through the steps that need the password. Administrator.
I went to Google and say Arabic.
Okay, this is another activity that you can get from the toolkit. Now I use it in maths, you use it here, which is, again, these are the words they come up with the verbs, and etc., and the meaning of it, and the students will have to see what letter. Now I could use that. Missed. Can you give me one? E. Got a score. Now, do they guess? If they don't guess it, they can get a clue. It's a listen. If they know their French well, they will know it's écouter, and they will get the rest of the letters. Okay, so that's another one. Reset, you get another letter, and so on. So this game as well, you can get it from the toolkit, and all you need to do, press edit, enter all the words, the meanings. What I do, I enter all the shapes that I want and description of the shapes, and the student will have to know. So you can make it high level, low level, it's up to you. Okay? Now another one, I will give you a break soon, just while I finish this. That's another one. What did we do here, Miss?
How we say it.
How do we say it? Okay. Did we finish that time? Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, how do we say so? What was the, yeah, that's the game. Press start to begin, press edit to customize. I forgot what was the game about. What did we do? We had to buy one.
This one.
We did something.
Press start.
Press start, yeah. Yeah, they had to, I didn't use it. You have a timer, and you have to find out how do you say good morning in French and get the words quickly.
B-O-N-N J-O-U-R.
Did I finish in time?
That's it.
I finished in time, but we'll see what the score is, okay? So this is another fun game for the students to do. So press start. Could be another game, and you have to guess the word. I don't know what it is. How do you say? This is another same one. Okay, but this is the type of activity that you can make. So you make it fun. At the same time, you are learning. You wanted to show what was it?
No, I leave Sharon first, and then we will do this.
Okay, Sharon.
Sharon.